Hi, in this video, I will demonstrate a beginner-friendly tutorial on using the OKX Web3 wallet, including downloading, creating a wallet, and depositing or withdrawing USDT. Since the OKX Web3 wallet is integrated with the OKX exchange in one app, you need to download the OKX exchange app from your app store. Once downloaded, open the OKX app and click on the wallet at the top to access the Web3 wallet page. You can choose to register for an OKX exchange account first, and then create a Web3 wallet, or you can just create a Web3 wallet. Whether or not you already use this cryptocurrency exchanges, I highly recommend signing up through the links in the video descriptions using the invitation codes or scanning the QR codes on the screen to register. By registering using the links below the video, you will be able to access the lowest cryptocurrency transaction fees globally. OKX, the fifth largest cryptocurrency exchange globally, charges just 0.064% for limit orders and 0.08% for market orders on spot trades when you register via the link. Futures trading fee are 0.016% for limit orders and 0.04% for market orders. Don't just focus on the transaction fees. Registering through these links give you access to the lowest fees globally. This can save you a significant amount of money, indirectly boosting your profits, an extremely important advantage for all of us. First, you need to download the OKX exchange app. iPhone users can download it from the App Store, while Android users can find it on Google Play or other app stores. After registering using my link, you will see both the exchange and the Web3 wallet at the top of the OKX app. Next, click on the wallet. The Web3 wallet is very beginner-friendly, especially for newcomers. Many beginners don't know how to create a Web3 wallet, transfer funds, or store assets, so that I will walk you through the process. First, let's create a Web3 wallet. Click Create Wallet. There will be two options, C-Phrase wallet and hardware wallet. I recommend choosing the C-Phrase wallet and manually backing out and saving the C-Phrase. If the C-Phrase is lost, the funds inside the wallet cannot be recovered, so click on Create Now. And for here, you will see a new wallet account. Once inside, the first thing you should do is back out the C-Phrase. So there are two options. The first one is cloud backup. The second one is manual backup. I recommend using manual backup. Click on manual backup. So the OKX Web3 wallet will remind you to properly store the C-Phrase. Clean start, enter the password or touch ID you set earlier. So the C-Phrase will be displayed below. Write it down on paper and store it securely. After recording it, click Continue and follow the prompts to verify the C-Phrase. Once verified, the wallet homepage will display the complete backup. On the other hand, if you already have a wallet, you can click the top left wallet management and then choose Add Wallet. If you don't have a wallet, the screen prompts you to create a new one. Follow the same steps to ensure you back out the C-Phrase. Now, let's explore the wallet's features. First is the send functions, where you can send tokens from the wallet to any specified address. Next is the receive functions, allowing you to recharge digital currencies from other addresses or exchanges into the wallet. When you click on More, you can also use the QR code scanner to log into the web wallet, view transaction history, and access the airdrop center. Now, I will demonstrate how to transfer funds from the OKX exchange to the Web3 wallet. First, stay on Web3 wallet and click Receive, and then you will be prompted to a page where you can see quick withdraw from exchange accounts to Web3 wallet. Click on Try It Out. The system will automatically show the tokens in your exchange account. Choose USDT, then select a network. Think of each network as a different bank, like Loyal Bank or HSBC. Choose a network you trust or find convenience, such as Arbitrage One. Click on it. Once on the withdrawal page, the system will auto-fill the token, wallet address, and network. Select the amount of USDT to withdraw. Let's say 10 USDT. And for here, you can see that the network fee is around 0.1 USDT. After confirming the network deposit address and withdrawal amount, click Submit, click Continue, and Convert. So for here, complete your passkey security check. The USDT will quickly arrive a few minutes later. Here is 2 minutes, and your account will show 10 USDT. Next, we will demonstrate how to deposit USDT from Binance Exchange to the OKX Web3 wallet using the BNB Smart Chain Network. Open your Binance app. So when you're in the Binance app, go to the wallet page, find USDT, and click Withdraw. Choose Send Wire Crypto Network, and then on this page, you need to fill in the receiving address. So back to OKX, click Receive, choose USDT. So for here, we must select the BNB Smart Chain as the transfer network. Click on it, and then copy your OKX Web3 wallet's USDT receiving address. Return to the Binance withdrawal page. Paste the address, and ensure the token is USDT and the network is BNB Smart Chain. Enter the amount of USDT you want to deposit, for example 10 as well. Once confirmed, click Withdraw, click Convert, finish verification process. After verifying all information, the system will process the transactions, and your USDT will be successfully transferred to the OKX Web3 wallet in a few minutes. Now we will learn how to withdraw cryptocurrency from the OKX Web3 wallet to other exchanges. We will demonstrate how to withdraw USDT from the OKX Web3 wallet to both OKX exchange and Binance exchange. First, open the OKX Web3 wallet, click Send, choose USDT, and choose Arbitrage One network. Click on it. So next, we need to input the receiving address. So back to our OKX exchange, Clean exchange at the top. On the exchange homepage, select deposit crypto, choose USDT, and select the send upcharge one network here. Copy the deposit address, and then back to wallet. Click on send as well. Choose USDT, upcharge once. Paste the address into the receiver address fields. Click convert. So for here, confirm that the token is USDT and that the network is the same as the one used during the deposit upcharge once. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. I will just select max here. Click on next. Please ensure that you have enough gas fees to complete the withdrawal, as inefficient gas may cause the transaction to fail. So in this case, the gas fee is Ether. Then just click convert. In a few minutes, your USDT will successfully return to your OKX exchange account. Finally, we will demonstrate how to withdraw USDT from the OKX Web3 wallet to Binance exchange. First, open the Binance app, go to the wallets page, click deposits, and choose USDT. And then select BNB Smart Chain Network and copy the deposit address. Switch to the OKX Web3 wallet, click send, select USDT, and paste the address into the receiving address field. Confirm that the network is BNB Smart Chain, the same one used during the deposit. Click confirm, enter the withdrawal amount. I will enter 10 here. Click next. Similarly, ensure you have enough BNB to cover the gas fees for these withdrawals, and then click on convert. Once convert, the system will process the transactions, and within a few minutes, the USDT will successfully arrive in your Binance exchange account. Thank you for watching. I hope this OKX Web3 wallet tutorial was helpful. If you find it useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you next time.